Rod Smith here at Smith Industries in Saskatoon, Canada. Today we're looking at the Smithvac HS44T sloped Hydrovac. The idea behind this unit is it's a lightweight, very compact Hydrovac designed to get into remote areas with less than ideal ground conditions, such as remote utilities and pipeline work. The Hydrovac is mounted on the Prinoth Panther T8 track carrier. The T8 has proven to be very reliable and very easy to operate. The drivers have good viewing angles so they can see what they're driving over, and most of all, the unit is extremely capable. The HS44T has a 1.75 cubic meter debris capacity and a 2.5 cubic meter water capacity. It's got a 1600 CFM blower and a 10 gallon per minute wash pump with a 440,000 BTU burner. Here's the hydraulic boom controls and the rear door control. Behind we have the acoustical blower enclosure. We have the final filter, the silencer, and the cyclone. We've got an emergency shut-off switch. And then at the back we have the main electrical control panel. This is the heated wash cabinet. It's got one hose reel and the 10 gallon per minute wash pump. Here's the controls, the boiler controls, wash pump control, switches for all the electric functions, the boiler thermostat, and the boiler pressure control. And then we have gauges for boiler fuel pressure, wash pressure, vacuum, and hydraulic pressure on these two. Washouts are a breeze with the half opening rear door and the sloped debris tank. We've got a 6-inch heated discharge valve, a 4-inch heated decanting valve, standard rear view camera, and at the bottom here we have the water drain valve. The Smithvac HS44T has side storage cabinets. In this cabinet there's an adjustable storage bin system, a top mounted heater, and the famous Smithvac boot and mitt dryer. On this side we've got a storage compartment for dig tubes and lances and other parts. We've got the bottom water fill port, the side storage tube, hydraulic oil cooler, and we've got the water tank sight gauges. The HS44T has got a 6-inch full-featured wireless controlled boom. It's got a 15-foot retracted length and a 21-foot extended length. The 1600 CFM blower is mounted in an acoustical enclosure, so the result is very quiet operation. For more information on this and other Hydrovacs, contact Smith Industries in Saskatoon, Canada, or go to our website at www.smithvac.com. Thanks for watching.